I'm Nick Lloyd with IMO North America. I'm here today to talk to you about our exciting new product offering, our UL and CUL rated industrial DIN-rail mountable switching power supplies. These come in single and three-phase offerings. Our flagship, the LPS series, is available in two form factors: the smaller output amperages and a polycarbonate frame, which come with Class 2 isolation, short circuit protection, an input filter, and an IP20 protection rating. Comes with single and three-phase universal input voltages, both in AC and DC, converting to output voltages at 5 volts, 12 volts, 24 volts, and 48 volts DC, up to 20 amps currently available. The higher output LPS series comes in a metal frame with IP20 protection rating, short circuit, input filters, but the added benefit of power factor correction in both single and three-phase offerings, up to 20 amps with 5, 12, 24, and 48 volt DC outputs. These are commonly used in industrial automation applications with the need to switch from a universal AC input voltage or a DC voltage to a control low voltage of 12, 24, or 48 volts DC most commonly. The SPS series is our mini form factor, great for OEMs, panel shops looking to save space in their panel with the same added benefits of the LPS series, but in a breaker style format. In single phase only, a polycarbonate body with a 100% full load burn-in test with Class 2 isolation, an input filter, short circuit protection, available up to 2.5 amps, and 5, 12, 24 volt DC. Whether it's HVAC, refrigeration, water, wastewater, material handling, automotive, or machine building, IMO has you covered. If you're looking for a high-quality power supply from a true Tier 1 manufacturer, regardless of your industry or application, at a competitive price, in stock today, call or go to Galco.com.